Find or read reviews that people are talking of Shengsite 6-inch cordless chainsaw, 24-volt battery-powered chainsaw with safety lock, portable one-hand chainsaw. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Shengsite 6-inch cordless chainsaw. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The 6-inch mini chainsaw cordless is made of a powerful pure copper brushless motor. Compared with brushed DC motors, brushless motors can provide more power and torque, longer lasting power, spark-free operation, long service life and no routine maintenance, allowing you to enjoy low energy consumption, low noise, and high efficiency cutting work. When the motor temperature of the mini chainsaw is too high, the motor will automatically stop working and wait for the temperature of the motor to cool down before it can work again. Extend the life of the motor. The portable chainsaw comes with 2 rechargeable lithium batteries, 24-volt 2000 mAh each. After being fully charged, the electric cordless chainsaw can be used for 1 to 2 hours, portable and with low energy consumption. It is a fast and economical way for you to trim branches and make your garden more beautiful. The non-slip handle design is very comfortable to hold. This battery-powered mini chainsaw has a safety splash guard and arm guard to protect your safety when logging and trimming branches, ensuring that the face and hands are free from splashing tree dust when sawing trees, respectively, improving safety and efficiency when cutting. We provide you with 1 spare battery and 2 saw chains, as well as professional handheld chainsaw gloves. Save you more time and money. The whole mini chainsaw has been installed, you just need to simply use the wrench in the package to turn the screw to adjust the tightness, and finally tighten the screw. You don't need to install the chain separately. The mini brushless chainsaw switch can adjust the speed according to the strength, and you can adjust the cutting speed you need according to the operating conditions. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.